Single-phase electricity was invented first. It works perfectly well for homes and small devices. But engineers still chose to generate and transmit power in three phases for the entire world. Why? What problem does three-phase solve that single-phase cannot? Let us understand it in simple language. Single-phase power has three serious problems for large-scale power systems. The first problem is pulsating power. Single-phase power drops to zero twice every cycle. For this reason, large motors produce pulsating torque and vibration, which reduces efficiency and causes mechanical wear. The second problem is inefficient transmission. Single-phase requires two large wires to transmit power. Three-phase transmits 3 times more power using only 3 wires. For this reason, three-phase uses 25% less conductor material for the same power delivered. The third problem is motor size. Single-phase motors need extra material to average out the pulsation. Three-phase motors are smaller and lighter for the same power output. For all these reasons, Nikola Tesla proved in the 1880s that three-phase generation and transmission solves all three problems simultaneously. Due to this, the entire world adopted three-phase as the standard for all power generation, transmission, and industrial distribution. Remember this simple thing. Three-phase is generated because it solves three problems at once. Constant power eliminates vibration. Less wire for same power. Smaller motors for same output. Single phase cannot solve all three. If you are curious to learn why things are the way they are, subscribe to Zenthral Code and keep discovering.